Check out this pre-owned 2003 Honda Element EX. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 122,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.